Make it, 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 make it. Mic check, mic check, mic check, 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 check. What's going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hopefully, you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming into the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up. And let's get the show on the road, people. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday indeed. We have ourselves a little doozy of a Thursday with several different names opening up and several different names opening down. My goodness. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? If you have not yet, of course, guys, smash the like button, engage with the video. Let me just take a look here. Meta is opening up this morning, and it is opening up. Yeah. Love to see that. Love to see that. Love to see that. Love to see it. Okay. You had some predetermined levels coming in very cleanly. Very cleanly. Hey guys, yesterday something happened. CVNA sold off like crazy. What the heck was that about? What was all this about? This was insane. I don't know exactly what the heck caused this. Short seller report. Carvana shares tumble on Wednesday after a short seller published a report alleging that the used car seller was using undisclosed deals with related parties to artificially inflate its earning figures. Shares of the temp Ares-based company closed Wednesday at $410, down 14% after trading even lower than earlier in the day. Insane. Although, I mean, CVA's numbers are probably not 100% what we think they are. I'm just guessing. Because the way this stock has got up is kind of, you start asking some questions. Everyone's been thinking it. Apparently somebody had enough. Anyways. Let's see what we can come up with here, guys. Yesterday, we had ourselves a few different earnings. Okay, we had ourselves some very important earnings, and they did result in the market being up a decent amount. Looks like 445, maybe support from Microsoft. All right, let's start here with Microsoft. Dang. Let's see here. Microsoft is currently down 6% this morning after reporting earnings. Honestly, such a huge pullback here. I would want to see Microsoft reclaim at least 465 to 468 at some point in time, maybe soon after open. But anything below 440 gets really dangerous for Microsoft. Next on the list, Meta. Complete opposite earnings here. Almost the top of this trend. Now, for those of you guys who are in the Discord, we did have some calls on Meta 2 weeks ago for February 20th. Those calls are probably going to open up 200 to 300% this morning. They're up roughly 80% to 95%, or 85% to 100% yesterday, or I should say earlier this week. Yesterday, probably one point in time, I just didn't catch it, but maybe it was roughly around 85% yesterday. Very good on that front. Tesla. Next up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Depending on how this opens, I may go short Tesla. Back down towards 428. And then see if we can find support like we did here. That would be key. MP is also making a comeback here. There was a report yesterday on MP that was a little disturbing. A little bit disturbing. Here, it says, today Reuters report is inaccurate, misleading, and inconsistent with the facts. It follows a pattern of speculative and misleading reporting that has repeatedly mischaracterized the government policy, caused unnecessary confusion in the marketplace. MP Materials has a binding long-term agreement with the U.S. Department of War that remains fully enforced, including price protection agreement executed this year. There has been no change whatsoever to our contract to the government obligations under it. Any implication that the U.S. government has retreated from its commitment to MP Materials is simply false. That is a crazy statement. But following all that, listen very carefully. You have here, update. Reuters has now stealth-edited the story to add a pretty crucial detail. This shift does not affect MP's price floor, which the government agreed to last July. Gold standard journalism. So now you have MP Materials roasting Reuters for misleading their audience, mischaracterizing the company, confusing people, and probably manipulating the market in a way that would be profitable for somebody. This is very interesting because it doesn't stop here. Let's get on our investigation bag, shall we? I also saw, as of recently, that this came out. China tells Alibaba top tech firm to prep Nvidia H2 orders. And then, a few days later, Nvidia's China yet to decide on H2's purchase order, still absent. But Reuters, just a few days ago, exclusive. China gives green light to importing first batch of Nvidia's H2 AI chip, sources say. Reuters, what the heck is going on? If I didn't know better, and clearly I don't. If I didn't know better, I would say that insider trading in the market is at an all-time high to the point where it's not even being hit anymore. It is out in the broad daylight. It is out in broad daylight. Somebody out there is trading the out of these headlines. They are making a trade. They are taking some extra cash and throwing it to a publisher to create a story that is completely BS. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Anyways, for those of you guys who are just jumping in here, if you haven't yet, of course, smash the like button, engage the video. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Let's see here. Can you go over Trump saying there's no bottom price for rare earth materials? I'm not gonna go over that. I don't think that affects too much, right? Especially when it comes down to just the chart itself, right? If there is any sort of positive flow, great. But just the chart itself, several of these names have taken a few hits here, but some of these names are setting up for some pretty solid breakouts. Like URA, currently sitting at new all-time. Nope. Oh, not quite. New highs, new 52-week highs, new decade highs, the highest we've seen since March 12th. The highest we've seen in a while. Lunar breaking out here, seeing an absolutely amazing push. ASTS still looks good. That's not so cute over there. Copper names this morning up across the board. HBM is up. Euro's up. SCCO is up. FCX is up. TGP is up. Oh my days. Oh my days. Pre-market names are just going through the roof here. Chat, throw in whatever names you guys are looking at this morning. Let's go over them. For those of you guys who want to live trade with us, guys, link in description below for the Discord. We will be live trading again this morning and having an absolute ball. Okay. See if you guys are looking at HYMC. Let's go over it, shall we? HYMC currently sitting up 3% after a little bit of a red day yesterday. We're getting kind of a flat top here with HYMC, so you guys see some sort of progress soon, or we're gonna be pulling back down towards that $43 range. SLV currently up a little bit, 2% this morning. GLD currently up a little bit, 2.5% this morning. The blow off the top move is still playing out here for metals, having an absolutely amazing start to the year here. LMND up this morning in the pre-market, trying to curl back around to more recent highs. Lemonade trying to get that move on. Lemonade trying to get that move on. HG. Yeah, if Lemonade can break back above 92.80, it is out of here. HG currently looking good. Low volume pullback yesterday, still holding above the 9 EMA. This looks great here. If it can see a break back above previous day highs, which is roughly 27.35, I'd expect it to be at least pushing $28 at some point in time today. Like that. We still feeling good about APLD. I am still feeling good about APLD. Currently, as long as it holds above 39.51, I like this look here. Nice look consolidated push. It did see new highs yesterday, but it had a little bit of pullback with the rest of the market. Still like it though. HTZ, how we doing here? Had a little bit of a red day yesterday. Needs to get bought back up. I want to see some buying here with HTZ pretty quickly. Nvidia calls? Not for me. Nah. I'm probably going to short Nvidia today. I'm telling you guys the truth. Something seems off. I'm probably going to short that crap. I'm telling you guys the truth. I'm probably going to short it. I will. At some point in time today. Copper futures up roughly 9.8% this morning. Absolutely booming. I mean, that's why all the rest of these names are also up 8%, 7.8%, 9.4%. Like this bad boy over here, just boosting up. Loving this. I like this. I like this. All right. What I didn't like, listen very carefully. What I did not like was the whole giving us the indication that something was done with the chips for it not to be done, because if I remember this correctly, we had a huge gap up yesterday simply due to the fact that the news was supposed to be legit. And if the news isn't legit, you know, I expect us to give that move back. Iran still looks solid. I mean, it had a great day the last 2 days. Yesterday was up 4%. The day before was up 14%. Cypher in similar boats here. Both looking great. Both looking great. Meta, though. Meta is the big one. For Meta, I'm going to take those contracts and go someplace warm with it. Well, not with the contracts, but you take the money to use the contracts to go someplace warm. Get out of the cold. Get out of the cold. I don't know when this crypto bill is supposed to be coming into full effect, but I expect that crypto bill to be coming into full effect soon. At some point in time. Soon. Path. Take a look at Path. Ugly. At one point in time, it was potentially setting up for something, but ugly could see some significant downside. Not looking cute. I don't know how many other ways I can say this, but also, at some point in time, guys, you gotta go over this. Let's go to the calendar. Earnings. Let's go to today. Let's go after hours. All right, guys, today after hours, we have Apple. That's pricing in a 3.5% move here. You got Apple putting in 3.5. Apple is estimate to have a 3.5% move. The implied move is pricing in 3.5%. SNDK is pricing in 9%. GSIT is pricing in 26%. That's insane. Visa is pricing in 2%. What other names do we have? I don't think we don't have many big names reporting earnings today. Western Digital, That's it. So Apple's a big one. Apple is the big one. Thanks. UNH seems like a good short time. What do you think? UNH. So UNH technically have a reversal. It's a bullish Harami setup, which is when you have this big bearish candle here, and then you have a bullish candle on the inside of it that looks very similar to this. And this is an indication of reversal. So what I would say is this: whether you want to be short or long this, to each their own. I would not want to be short this if it breaks above basically 300. Anything below 300, do as you see fit. Anything above 300, I would be very careful. I'd be very, very, very careful. Meta's still going here, up 9.5%. Curling right back up to where it was yesterday. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go over some of these quantum names. It's been a minute since I've seen these quantum names in action here. How are they holding up? ARQQ, not looking cute. QBTS, not looking cute. QBT, not looking cute. ION, not looking. RGT, not looking. Not getting any love here from any of these quantum names. Okay. Next, any of these meme names looking decent. Oklo was up a decent amount yesterday, pulling back this morning. Peloton, no. Open, no. KOSS, no. Nokia's down 7% after earnings. Yikes. No. GameStop, haven't done anything yet. Still consolidating. Decent. All right. GameStop has had 2 inside days here, so this next move could be an extended move. Most likely will be. BYD still needs to fill that gap back down towards 75 cents. Do it. Unity, not bad. Appreciate the match in the chat, gang in the building. Let me see here. What? You should get your no. Listen, this is what happens when it's negative. What is negative 20? Let me tell you guys something. Negative. Yeah, the temperature right now feels like negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. You know how cold that is? Do you know how cold that is? That is almost you throw water outside and it turns to dust, like mist, immediately. It's a different level of cold. Okay? It's a different level of cold. You like this beat though? Do like this beat. All right, people. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna leave things there for now. We have a few different trade ideas that I'm excited about today. Mainly one that doesn't look like one, but we saw some very interesting flow come in overnight, and that is gonna be interesting to watch. Please be careful today on Thursday. Headlines will be popping out as normal. Apple earnings after hours. Tomorrow we have YOLO Friday. We'll be back in the pre-market. Plenty more room for this market to run. All right, Mod Squad, we appreciate you guys as always. Twitch, I got your points. Add points. Off. Yeah, there we go. Y'all have humidity over there? Yeah, I can imagine. All right, guys, much love. Deuces.